Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy coffee. First, brew a strong cup of your favorite coffee, about 8 ounces. You can use any roast you like, but a darker roast often complements the sweetness well. Next, add your preferred milk and sweetener to the coffee. Stir it thoroughly to ensure everything is well combined. Make sure the coffee is hot. This is crucial for the next steps. Now let's prepare the star of our drink, the cotton candy. Choose a generous, fluffy piece of cotton candy. It should be large enough to completely cover the top of your coffee mug. Carefully place the cotton candy directly over the mug's opening. Do not let it touch the coffee yet. It should hover just above the surface, creating a sweet cloud. This is where the magic happens. The steam rising from your hot coffee will begin to slowly melt the cotton candy. As it melts, the sugary goodness will drip down into your coffee. This natural process sweetens and flavors your drink, creating a unique and delightful experience. Watch as the cloud transforms into a sweet drizzle, infusing your coffee with its essence. Once all the cotton candy has melted into your coffee, give it a gentle stir. This ensures the melted sugar is fully incorporated, distributing the sweetness evenly. If you like, you can add a small, fresh piece of cotton candy on top as a garnish for an extra touch of whimsy. Serve your cotton candy coffee immediately and savor this wonderfully sweet and unique treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.